raining quite heavily. And there's a thunderstorm going on in the start of summer, around summertime. And there's an alarm going off. Yeah, it doesn't look pretty good, and it's getting pretty cold. I just hope the Pine Hill bus comes soon. Yeah, Mad Jared here. Just at the bus, I think the Pine Hill bus is I think that's the Pine. Oh, lookout points goes the other way. They haven't changed the sign. Shit, I don't think. Getting out my wallet. I was just filming the storm to Pine Hill.
Oh shit, I changed it. I changed it up. Yeah.